We're at the water park down here by the river in Saskatoon. They've got this whole river system. Essentially, they've recreated the North and South Saskatchewan river system as a water park so the kids can play in it. And Penny's currently, as you can see, floating her shoes through Lake Diefenbaker into the Gardner Dam. Beautiful day here, and we're out with Aunt Sherry, Mommy, and a whole bunch of other happy screaming kids. So. Watch out, Ben, it's slippery. Yep, there's Swift Current. Say bye-bye, Penny.
Can you say bye-bye, Daddy?
Yeah, I can tell it's just horrible for you and your life.
You sit. Should we put your shoes on? But then you won't slip. You're gonna fall.
Okay.
Okay.
Back to the water park.